Okay, let's look at the homework 3.4, 3.5, number 12. Right, so we have a function, it's a polynomial function, f of x equals 3x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 8. Then we have to answer a series of questions. Right, so let's do that. Alright, first, part A, we have to find the derivative. So part A, f prime of x. Right, so this is just a power rule. Right, put the 4 in front, so 3 times 4 is 12. X, subtract 1 from the power, so it's cubed. Right, so it's going to be, put 3 in front, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. X to the, subtract 1 from the power, so it's 2. Right, so we have that. Let's type it in. Alright, it's 12x to the third power minus 12x squared. Right? Was that it? Yep. Alright, so let's check that. So check answer. Alright, got that. Alright, next question. Alright, slope of the graph at x equals 2. So all you have to do is plug in x equals 2 into the derivative function, so we find f prime of 2. Right, so this is going to be 12, right, 2 cubed minus 12, 2 squared, which is going to be, right, 12 times 8, 8 times 2 is 16, right, 8 times 1 is 8, so it's going to be 96, minus 12 times 4, so it's 48, right, so it's going to be 16 minus 8 would be 8, right, 8 minus 4 is 4, 48, right, so let's type that in. 48. Check the answer. All right, got that. All right, then we want to find the equation of the tangent line. So it's part C. All right, so always look for two things. And the first thing is the point. So I'm going to call it x1 comma y1. All right, x value is 2. So we have 2. Then we just have to find the original, the corresponding y value, which is going to be f of 2, right? Which is going to be, right, what's f of 2? So I'm going to do it up here, f of 2, right? So this is going to be 3 times 2 to the fourth minus 4 times 2 cubed plus 8, right? So 2 to the fourth is 16, right? 3 times 16 will be, 3 times 6 is 18, and 3 times 1 is 3, so it's 48, minus 2 cubed is 8, 4 times 8 is 32, plus 8. Alright, so this is going to be, right, 48 minus 32 is 16 plus 8, so it's 24. Alright, so it's 2 comma 24. Alright, and the second piece of information we need is the slope, but the slope we already found that to be 48. Alright, so the equation is going to be, so y minus y1, which is 24, is equal to, and slope is 48, quantity x minus x1, which is 2. Right, I'm going to multiply out, so this is going to be 48x, right, 48 times negative 2 is negative minus 96. Right, by adding 24 to both sides, we can isolate y. Right, so we have 48x minus, so we add 24, so it's going to be 72, right? So it's 48x minus 72. Let's type it in. 48x minus 72. Right, let's check that, 72. All right, let's check the answer. All right, got that. And last question. All right, value of x where tangent line is horizontal. All right, so D, right, horizontal means that slope is 0. Right, if the slope is 0, means that the derivative must be 0. Right, so the derivative we have is it's an answer of part A. So f prime of x is equal to 12x cubed minus 12x squared. Right, so factor out 12x squared. We have x minus 1. Right, we set that equal to 0. Right, therefore we have, right, from here, x equals 0. And also x equals 1. Right, so it's 0 and 1. Let's type that in. Right, x is 0, comma 1. Right, let's check that. All right, that's it. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.